we're asked to graph the given linear equation y equals 2/3 x minus 1 using a table of values. So we notice that we have a fraction involved here. So the trick to the linear equations that involve fractions is to pick values of x that will get rid of the fraction. So in this case, we can pick any multiple of 3, including 3 itself, and also remember that 0 always works. So what we'll do here in this case is we'll pick a few values, let's say 3 values for x, that will eliminate the fraction. In this case, I can pick, let's say, -3, 0, and 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in these values for x into our linear equation to obtain a value for y. So in the first case, we have 2/3 times -3 minus 1, which in this case the 3's will line out, and we have a -2 minus a -1. Or I'm sorry, rather -2 minus 1, which in this case is -3. So that's our value for y. So on the next one, we have 2/3 times 0 minus 1, which in this case 2/3 times 0 is simply 0, so we're simply left with a -1. So that's our value for y when x is 0. In the last case, we will plug in a 3 for the value of x, and we notice that we have a 3 on top and a 3 on bottom. So that again is said to line out, and we're left simply with 2 minus 1, which 2 minus 1 is 1. So when x is 3, y is 1. Okay. Fix this up. Alright. So now we have 3 ordered pairs that we can graph and plot on our coordinate plane. The first of which is -3, -3. So we're looking at this line right here. We move over, we start at the origin, move to the left -3, and down -3, and we plot our first point right there. Our second point is right here, and it's 0, -1. We start at our origin, and we move down 1, and we plot our point. Our third point is 3, 1, so we start at the origin again, over 3, and up 1. So now that we've plotted our points, we simply connect the dots. And we've graphed our linear equation.